I'm out here in this steamy hot 72 degrees in the garage because I have AC. Have I mentioned I have AC? We're gonna work on the 92 again. It's time to pull the transmission and the engine out, so I'm gonna get under here, start taking the transmission loose, and we'll get that thing out of there. Before I get started, I just wanted to point out that there are no bolts in the transmission mount to hold it to the transmission, which is apparently why I was hearing noise every time that I took off in the 8 or so miles that I drove this car. Come on, man. Back out in the garage. It's another day after work, and I am going to take this torque arm off. When I finished up last time, this torque arm, this huge bolt was kind of frozen in here. It's all rusty. So I soaked it in some WD-40. It still doesn't want to move, so we're gonna try a big old sledgehammer and see if that works. Success!
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase, let's face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me.
All right, trans is out. It's sitting right there on the roll around cart, so I could just roll it back out of the way. That's how I've done it several times on my own, and that's kind of just how you have to do it if you want to get it out by yourself. Unfortunately, I didn't have anybody out here today to help me. No big deal. May look sketchy, but it's not. I mean, the body pretty much kept the trans from flipping side to side. And then once I know I've got it balanced properly, I can just lift the car off and it's not going anywhere. So next up, I'm just gonna get that trans out from under the car so I can kind of look at that. And next up, we'll be removing the engine. I'm not gonna do that tonight because it's already starting to get kind of late. Just thought I'd show you a quick shot of the transmission. This is about 220,000 miles of and 30 years of driving. I don't think it's ever been out before. The bolts were super tight. I believe it's a 700 R4. I'm gonna verify that before I throw it up on Marketplace. But it's not too bad. It'll clean up. The one I sold out of the 84 wasn't the original, but it cleaned up really well. It wasn't quite this dirty. The engine in this car, this V6, is leaking oil pretty bad anyway, so it's going. I'm gonna sell that to someone for cheap. So that's what we got. And guess next I will go ahead and clean that thing up, throw it on Marketplace. I might just sell it like that, honestly. And we'll get the engine out of here. I've already soaked all the, well, let me show you some. There we go. I've already soaked the bolts for the exhaust pipe. Hopefully I won't break those. I was able to do that on the other car and they came out with no problem. So kind of looks like maybe, yeah, it's got a rear main seal leak. So I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing. I just want to get rid of it. It's a 3.1 V6 and it's honestly not very desirable, but somebody may have a project they're trying to get running and maybe I can hook them up pretty cheap and get rid of it. Oh, I didn't break that one either. Holy crap. All right, so far we're 2 for 2. Let's see what we got here. Place your bets. Place your bets. Okay, here goes one more. See if I can break it. Wow. Nope. The stud's backing out, but that's actually way better than breaking the stud off. Sorry, little Harbor Freight light. Can't believe it. All right, this side is off. That brought the whole stud, but I don't care. Another stud. And the nut. And the exhaust element. Oh my goodness. Okay. I guess I don't need these anymore. I got crap in my eyes anyway. We did it. Woo! Time to take the engine out. I'm getting the coolant out of it right now. I already dropped the oil. So should be ready to put it down a little bit and go ahead and start unhooking everything up top, and then we'll get that engine out of here real quick. If you're wondering why I'm taking the inner fender well out, the wiring for the computer goes in through this side right over here. And so I've got to have access to that because I'm just going to pull the whole computer wiring and everything, and none of that's staying. We're going with the Holly system. Holly, if you're watching, hit me up. So that's all got to go.
Slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
Okay, so I've almost got the engine completely pulled. You can see it right here. It's basically hanging in midair. Genius me didn't get the wiring all the way loose. So this needs to be out of the car. So let's see. You can see right there. Oh, you're flashing. There we go. Oh my goodness. So that's the wiring for the computer, which is laying over there on the bench now. Don't mind all Haley's parts, they'll be gone soon. So I had to pull the kick panel, and then that's going to be the wiring that needs to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that, and then you'll be seeing me with the engine sitting on the ground if I haven't blinded myself permanently. So here we go.
So remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
There we go. Bring it here. Let me angle it like this. You bring it
I'm gonna pull
forward.
it straight back.
Yeah.
Yeah, now come up a little bit more.
You're good.
See a little twist now. Yep. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, you can let the hood back. Let's just push this thing back. And okay, that's it. Alright, look at that, we did it.
You did it. I just helped with it.
Victory, well, you did the. I needed somebody to help with the hard stuff. Sitting?
I don't know.
Ah, look at that. Does it look like it's gonna fall and kill us?
Maybe. But
Nah. Alright.
that'd be embarrassing getting killed by a V6.
Doesn't that happen all the time in your focus?
Not really. Not as much as you think.